Hey Eagles, Michelle here. Let's get into the speaking competition. So your speaking competition is divided into two sections. You have the solo persuasive speaking competition and the debate challenge. So in the solo persuasive speaking competition, you're given a topic ahead of time that is based on your resources. So you have time to prepare your answer. It's your job to convince the judges in the audience that your answer is correct. And the way that you do this is by using examples from your resources. This section is scored on your task response, the structure and organization, the cohesion, the lexical range and your grammar, and also your pronunciation. Each Teeneagle group has a different amount of time in which they speak, with Teeneagle 1 being between 60 and 90 seconds, Teeneagle 2 between 90 and 120 seconds, and Teeneagle 3 120 to 150 seconds. After this aspect of the competition is completed and scored, the top 6 scorers from 6 different countries will be invited to our persuasive speaking showcase. This is performed on stage at our global finals. You're given a different topic, but the task is the same. You're still trying to answer the question and persuade the judges in the audience that your answer is the correct answer. Once this is completed and the sections have been scored, the top 6 scorers from 6 different countries will be invited to our on-stage debate showcase. The debate showcase is slightly different from the beginning of the competition in that our showcase is a team debate. It's a 3-on-3 team debate. Your teams, your topic, and your stance are given ahead of time so that you have time to prepare. Next, we have the debate challenge. This is very similar to the persuasive solo speaking challenge in that you're still given a topic and it's still your job to convince the judges and the audience that your answer is correct. However, now you have an opponent, and your opponent believes that their answer is correct. So typically this is divided into a for side and an against side. And what happens in the debate challenge is that there are 3 sections: the introductory remarks, the rebuttal, and the closing arguments. So in these sections, you're trying to tell us why your answer is correct, destroy and discredit your opponent's answer, and remind us again why your answer was correct. Your topics, your stance, for or against, and your opponent are given ahead of time so that you have time to prepare. Each debate round takes about 10 minutes, with each phase, the introductory remarks, the rebuttal, and the closing arguments, taking 60 seconds of speaking, with a break of 60 seconds in between each section. The scoring in this is based on your use of information, your resource information, your rebuttal, your use of facts and statistics, the organization, and the understanding of the topic. Now, the biggest one here is definitely respect for the other team, as in a debate structure, respect is paramount. Keep in mind, during all showcases, when you're battling it out in front of all the other Eagles, this showcase is not part of your overall total score. The prizes for the showcase rounds are separate. So remember, in both sections of the speaking competition, you need to use strong persuasive language, good transitions. You need to stand up and speak in a way that can be heard and speak to your audience and your judges. That's the best way to do the best you can in the speaking competition. So make sure to check out all the resources available to you on the Teeneagle website and on our YouTube channel. And good luck, and we hope to see you at the Global Finals.